Hello everyone, this is XX Success. So I wanted to teach you how to change your system date, or you want to change your system country. So it will actually, maybe you wanted to help your client with social media management, or you want to help the client with what, maybe you are working online and you don't want a lot of people to know where you are. Maybe you wanted to change the IP address, or you want to change the location of your system to other country. So this is an opportunity for you. You can change it, because maybe so you can actually try it. Maybe you wanted to create a Fiverr account for your client. You want to create a Fiverr account as a freelancer, or you don't want the algorithm of the platform to understand your system. So you can change your IP, your system, what, country into another country, or you change the date and the time of the system to other country. It won't be, maybe you are in Africa and you want to change it to European country, or you are in European, you want to change it to Africa. So I wanted to teach us how to get it done. Um helping you, teaching you this thing is a one of the way that it will help you, because it will change the location of where you are, and the algorithm of the platform that you are using will think that maybe you are in from that country. Because and based on this thing, this will help you to, or it will help your system to be able to not to be what, identify that you are from Nigeria, or you are from other country, that the country that you wanted to recite your PC to. So what you need to do is just to come to this icon area, then you click on it, which is where the time and date is. So once you click on it, let me show you. So once you click on it, you come to this area, you come to adjust date and time. So once you click adjust date and time, once it shows, let us adjust date and time. So you can change, or you come to this certain area, so you can see now. So let's actually show. So when it shows that settings, you now come to your what, let it shows. So we can actually, because this thing, I actually discover this kind of thing, that this thing is, it actually work. So your IP, or your system IP, won't be discovered by anybody, or the algorithm of the platform that you are using won't be able to understand you as well. So let us check on it. So now you come to here, so you can see time zone. So you come to this time zone, you will change it to country that you want your account to be. Let us come to that area. So maybe you want it to be in US, or you want it to be in UK. So you now pick based on the area that you want, the geography that you want the account to be. So this is West Africa. So you can now come, maybe let me go to, this is Moscow, so it now depend on the country that you want it to be. So based on their merindia or whatever that they are. So let us come to here. So but if you want the account to be in South Africa, or Damascus, or Turkey, so if your account you want it to be in a European country, so you just click on Canada. So or you see Central US Canada. So you can see the date, and the time has already changed, which we are in 4:30 in Canada. So but every time that you want to do it, make sure that you don't click on this auto, set it automatic, set your time zone automatically. You have to off it. So but if you on this one like this, if you on it, it will change. So set your time zone automatically or manually. So but this one is auto. I want to pick it as auto. So one of these things is auto actually help a lot. So because I see that most of us have an issue, maybe how to create a Fiverr account, or you want to make your account to be staying online often and often. So how to adjust your day and time and everything. So this is what I wanted to show you today, because we actually see that our account is being flagged or whatever. So you can try this as well, because it's one of the way. So the algorithms of the platform will understand where your system is actually located. So and if you know that you want to know more about how to get about more information about tech or tech tutorial to for you to what to stand out among your competitor or to know more this. So try to subscribe to our platform, subscribe to our channel to know more updates. So thank you for reaching out to us. Our latest update and information will be reaching out to us. I'm a Shopify e-commerce website designer and as a SEO expert as well. We help businesses to search being online present. So if you want to reach us, you can reach us on our Telegram, exec sources, or on our Twitter handle as well, exec sources as well. So you can search us on search engine exec sources expert. So exec sources agency. So thank you for reaching out to us.